Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about some huge changes to this channel and to my social media. Basically, I started this channel initially as a weight loss YouTube, and as life does, it kind of evolved into something else entirely. I have had a few messages now about how, in a nice way, they are kind of confused about my channel and the direction it's going, really, and I don't blame them because I've been feeling it too. I think now, because there are a few things going on in my life, I thought it was best just to keep it under one umbrella, under one channel, and now I just don't think that's the best thing to do. I have my weight loss, I have my weight loss to get pregnant. I have then got the pregnancy through IUI and the sperm donor process. I do DIY and life hacks, I guess, and lifestyle vlogs. And then you've got this huge component of my business and candle business and money making and all this sort of stuff. And I think they really need to be separated into two different channels. So I'm going to try and make it a whole lot clearer for everybody and myself by adding another YouTube and another Instagram. I know it's risky because I do have in the back of my mind, like, will anyone follow this new YouTube or will anyone follow this kind of new Instagram? But I think it's worth the risk in separating them because they just don't go anymore. I mean, I can't be talking about vibration plates and weight loss through that for a pregnancy, and then on the other hand be talking about candle making and my business. The audience for both channels will be completely different. Although, having said that, I would like you to follow both channels, but I understand if you're just interested in kind of like one path that I'm taking. So first, this channel that I'm on now, I will keep as my MotherNaked YouTube. On here, we will talk about selling candles from home, having a small business, making it work, how I do my candles and my packaging and all that sort of stuff. And of course, marketing and money making. So all of that stuff will be on this channel. Now, to go along with this YouTube, I will now be starting to use my Instagram MotherNaked Candles. This one. This is the only one for my candles that I'm using. So hit that up and give it a follow, please. So that's one part. This YouTube, that Instagram. And lastly, my new YouTube and my new Instagram. And this will be called TrynaBeAMama, and it will be my Instagram handle, and it is my new YouTube handle. And it's exactly what I'm trying to do. So, and I think it'll work for even when I've kind of progressed in motherhood eventually as well. I think because even when you're a mama, you're still trying to be a mama. So I think it will work really nicely, and so that's what I've chosen. On this channel and Instagram, it will document my weight loss at first, obviously, and I will be doing this through the vibration plate, especially at first because of my foot injury. So it will just be the vibration plate and healthy eating at first, and then hopefully adding some more exercise as I lose the weight. I'll also be doing weekly weigh-ins again, and like I said, all that I'm doing is healthy eating and using the vibration plate, so if that interests you, head on over to that channel. I will also be documenting my process through an IUI pregnancy and sperm donor and everything that comes with that, so all of that will be on that channel. And eventually just being a single parent and just telling my story through that YouTube, I guess. And that's it. I hope that's really clear for you guys. I'll just give you a recap because I know it's confusing and I know I'm changing everything. But yeah, I'll just give you a quick recap. So for everything business and candles, this channel, MotherNaked, and it's Bowie. Sorry. And it is MotherNaked Candles at my Instagram. That's one side. For everything weight loss, pregnancy, sperm donor, life vlogs, that will be TrynaBeAMama, and that is my Instagram and YouTube. I will also leave you the links below to my both channels and both Instagrams, so please give them all a subscribe and a follow. That would really help me out. But if you're only interested in one part of my life, that's completely fair, and I totally understand, so thank you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to this Instagram, and just thank you so much for supporting, and I really appreciate it. You have no idea, so thank you very much. Mwah!